Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to create Bitcoin wallet address. So to get started with that, first thing to do is to choose a platform, a exchange platform where you can easily store your crypto assets. So I'm going to use this Trust Wallet as an example. So download and install Trust Wallet app on your mobile. You can simply get access to that on both on iOS and Android. Then open the app after installation. Then after that, set up your Trust Wallet account. When you first open Trust Wallet, you will see an option to create a new wallet. They all restore a wallet if you have an existing one. Then choose create a new wallet. Then read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then after that, back up your wallet by writing down the 12 phrase recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for restoring your wallet. So if your device is lost or damaged, store it safely and privately. Then after that, set a strong password to protect your wallet. Then once that is done, create a Bitcoin wallet address. Just do this. Once your wallet is set up, you will be directed to the wallet main screen. Then tap on receive button on the home screen. Then search for Bitcoin, which is the BTC in the list of the cryptocurrencies. Then tap on Bitcoin to generate your wallet address. Then after that, you will see your Bitcoin wallet address and a corresponding QR code. You can copy the address to share with others or scan the QR code for easier use. After that, you can now receive Bitcoin payment to your new address whenever you need to receive Bitcoin. And also simply open the Trust Wallet to go to the receive section and use the displayed address. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.